Looks like a fine day for riding bikes. Current forecast is for sludgy conditions. G'day trendsetters, today I'm coming to you from Trenton, Florida for the 8th running of the Tour of the Quilt Country. There is the organiser himself, Big Head Todd, but more than just that, look at this character here. What the hell get up is that?
You video me, I'm gonna video you for my non-existent
He's gonna clean out my horse
YouTube channel.
Mate, there's something wrong with you, mate, there really is. These are my friends, my close friends. Well folks, we're on to the first nasty road of the day. We are going to be completely covered in crap by the time this day is over. My mate Todd there, he's a smart fella. He's got himself fenders on the bike. I do not have fenders on the bike. I do have an arse protector though, an arse saver, so it's all good.
So they got dumped on like an hour ago, 2 hours ago.
Folks, you might be wondering which bike I'm riding today. In the world of real world reviews, we're riding the Ridley Canzo Fast with Camp Acknowledged E-Car 1x13 drivetrain, which is going to be thoroughly tested today. Hard man. Folks, you can check out how sludged up my legs are. I had no fenders. Then you can examine Todd's legs. We've rolled upon Mr. Unpaved. There he is, Mr. Unpaved himself.
Cyclist, see you soon!
Alright mate, no worries. That is a sandpit area, folks, the true definition. How deep is this water? We're going nice and slow. You trendsetters watching this video might have noticed we're rather well dressed. That's because it's, I think about 50 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and you might be scoffing at us, but this is a very humid day. Humid cold is a proverbial pain in the ass. Folks, welcome to 4 Mile Run, a notoriously windy open section with some lumpy little bergs for your cycling delight. Hey, woof woof, what are you doing? Welcome to the country subdivision sector. Ordinarily, and I'll overlay some video, this sector is ridden at lunatic pace. Less than friendly tour pace, I might add. There's the US Postal Service making deliveries on a Saturday. Only in America do you have four-wheelers with massive rims. Current status, some lovely tailwind on some smooth pavement. Take on to the dirty stuff. Long section of pavement. The longest section of pavement today has been completed. Ugh. This is one of the loveliest sectors of today's route, and the cool country is divided into two halves, morning and afternoon. I'm more than likely to just ride the morning only. I'm feeling a tad dodgy, I'll admit, here on camera. Trendsetters, if you've noticed that breed of dog back there, they seem to have a genetic predisposition to toiling in circles. If you're an owner, chime in the comments. Is this normal behaviour? Beautiful sector here. Notice Todd's technique. Folks, typically this sector is the sandpit from doom, but because of the rain earlier, it's quite pleasant for once. A stiff wind depending on which direction you're riding in. This is Pothole Central. We have a bit of a technical issue here, folks. The corrugations are so rough that the fenders are whacking the tyre once in a while. And for those folks not familiar with the term corrugations, aka washboard in this part of the world. Some historic Florida on our left. I admire the sinkhole, folks, of sorts. Well, maybe not a sinkhole, but when this area has had a lot of rain, a lot of water flows down there. That's a serious amount of hay, folks. Rolls and rolls. We are drawing near to the end of our journey, at least the first stage of the tour of the quilt country. I'm bagging it. Solar panels as far as the eye can see. Hey knucklehead, what are you doing? Oh, you silly bugger. Folks, we're rolling into a full-on block headwind with about 1.2 miles to ride for the Interstate 1. This ride saves the best for last. Rolling back into Trenton, Florida, folks. The Swanee Valley Quilt Shop. Which once upon a time was a Coca-Cola plant. And back to the right start. These lads in front of me, they started the ride at about 8 o'clock in the morning and rode through the brutality of the storm. How was that experience, lads?
Sticky.
It was wet, cold, and very slow.
Peanut butter comes to mind.
Now, do you feel an overwhelming sense of accomplishment now, though?
No, just relief.
I'm glad that
He's
we're only doing the
really
north
effed.
route.
Here's a good look at the Ridley Canzo Fast with Campagnola E-Car. Absolutely sludged.
Of stickiness.
How's it going, boys? How was the effort today?
Fabulous ride.
What was your average speed, roughly?
17.
Oh, okay, so we went a little bit slow. We did about 16.6, I think. Not bad. Mate, how was today's ride?
A lot harder than it would have been if I rode by myself because of those two guys trying to keep their pace.
We had a great time.
I think the deal was they felt the power of the Velcro road sucking them down.
We did indeed.
Yes.
It was quite taxing, delightful.
Well, chapeau for finishing, mate. And here he comes.
Well, he wasn't very far behind.
Nice job, lad. Nice job.
So yes, the organizer has officially canceled stage 2 out of concerns for rider safety and not wanting to face a rider boycott in the event next year. So stage 2 has been nullified.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Gravel Cyclist YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified of future videos
Ding, ding.
as they appear on the channel. I'll see you in the next video.